didn't get off the turn quite as well, I don't think, as Cronin. Oh, and that's Hadley Simpson. Hadley Simpson's had a drama down into Graham Hill Bend. Now, he was a couple of tenths or so behind Alex Duncan at the start of the lap, and it looks to me like he's had contact with someone or something. So Hadley Simpson may have got a bit too close to Alex Duncan. 4.5 seconds off the leader's pace. This is what happened between Duncan and Simpson. Oh, Simpson tried to tuck him behind Alex Duncan and, well, was clearly a little bit later on the brakes than the 27 machine was. And now sees all of his hard work undone. Oh, Hadley Simpson's off. Hadley Simpson's off. I think something might have broken on the front of the car, and he's beached himself in the gravel at Paddock Hill Bend. Now, this could require a safety car period, and we're in the pit window. The pit lane window has just opened, so in come Oliver Ford and Dominic Paul as well. But if we get a safety car period, what does that mean for pit stops? This is what happened. Now, was it a breakage or was it a drama with Ali Jafaali? He's got that damage, remember, on the left front corner. And, oh no, oh wow, goes right over the back of Ali Jafaali's car. So it wasn't a failure, or damage resulting failure. Anyway, it was definitely a collision.